Hi, welcome back to maths class. In previous video we are completed fifth bit third problem. So in this video let's continuation of those fifth one fourth problem. If z is equals to 1 plus 2i by 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus I whole square, then find arg z. So we need to find arg z value. Arg z is nothing but theta. Arg z is equals to theta. So we need to find theta value. Solution: given z is equals to 1 plus 2i by 1 minus 1 minus I whole square, z is equals to 1 plus 2i by 1 minus, this is in the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square means 1, b square means I square, minus 2ab means minus 2i. Since I square is equals to minus 1, z is equals to 1 plus 2i by 1 minus 1 minus I square is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 2i plus 1 minus 1 get cancel. Z is equals to 1 plus 2i by minus into minus plus 1 plus 2i. 1 plus 2i 1 plus 2i get cancel. Z is equals to 1. This one we need to write in x plus iy form. This is 1 is real part, imaginary part is 0. Z is equals to 1 plus I of 0. X plus iy form. X plus iy form. We can compare this to modulus amplitude form. Formula is r of cos theta plus I into sin theta. In this we can find r value. R is equals to, what is the formula of r? X square plus y square. X is 1, y is 0. So these two values substitute in this. R is equals to under root of x square is 1 square, y is 0, 0 square. R is equals to root 1. R is equals to 1. Cos theta is equals to, cos theta is equals to, compare these two terms, 1 plus I of 0, cos theta plus I into sin theta. Cos theta is 1. Cos theta is equals to 1. Sin theta is equals to 0. Compare real parts and compare imaginary parts. Cos theta is equals to, కాస్లో 1 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? 0 degrees దగ్గర. కాస్ 0 degrees 1. sin theta is equals to sin 0 degrees 0. theta is equals to, here theta 0, here theta 0. రెండిటి దగ్గర theta అనేది సేమ్ ఉండాలి. theta ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది, here also 0 ఉంది. Therefore arg z is nothing but theta kada. Arg z is equals to theta means 0. This is the solution of fourth one. See the next problem. Second bit First one, simplify the following complex numbers and find their modulus. Modulus means, for example, z is equals to x plus iy. Mod z is equals to under root of x square plus y square. So we need to find modulus of this one. So we need to find modulus of this condition. Solution: given 2 plus 4i into minus 1 plus 2i by minus 1 minus I into 3 minus I. Multiply these two terms and simplify. We can find modulus value. That equals to 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 2i plus 4i, 4i into minus 1 minus 4i, 4i into 2i plus 8i square by minus 1 into 3 minus 3i, minus 1 into minus I plus I, minus I into 3 minus 3i, minus into minus plus I square, minus I into minus I plus I square. Here, since I square is equals to minus 1, plus I minus I get cancel. That equals to minus 2 minus 8, I square is equals to minus 1 by minus 3, I square is equals to minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, I minus 3i minus 2i. That equals to minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 by minus 4 minus 2i. In this I am taking 2 is common, minus 2 is common, minus 2 of 2 plus I. Minus minus get cancel, 2 ones are 2 5s are. That equals to 5 by 2 plus I. For this we can do rationalizing factor or multiply the numerator and denominator with conjugate of denominator, that is 5 by 2 plus I into 2 minus I by 2 minus I. Multiply the numerator and denominator with conjugate of denominator. That equals to 5 into 2 minus I. This is in the form a plus b, a minus b. That since a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. We can write in the form a square minus b square. That is a square is 2 square minus b square is I square. That equals to 5 into 2, 10. 5 into minus I minus 5i by 2 square 4, I square minus 1, minus 1 minus plus 1. That equals to 10 minus 5i by 5. I am apply denominator separately. 10 by 5 minus I into 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 ones are 2 minus I. For this we can find modulus value. Therefore modulus is equals to mod minus mod of 2 minus I, modulus of 2 minus I. Formula is x square plus y square, under root of x square plus y square. X square is 2, 2 square, y square is plus minus 1 whole square. Modulus of 2 minus I అంటే 2 plus I of minus 1గా రాసుకోవాలి. For this we can find modulus value. That equals to under root 2 square means 4, minus 1 square plus 1, under root 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 5, root 5. This is modulus value of first one. So first problem is completed. See the next problem. Second problem, 1 plus I whole cube by 2 plus I into 1 plus 2I. Find the modulus value. Solution. Given 1 plus I whole cube by 2 plus I into 1 plus 2I. This is in the form a plus b whole cube. a plus b whole cube formula ఏంటి? a plus b whole cube. a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. That equals to a cube means 1 cube, b cube means I cube plus 3a square b plus 3 into a is 1, a square, b is I plus 3 into 3ab square, a is 1, b is I square, by multiply these two terms, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2i 4i, I into 1 I into 2i plus 2i square. That equals to 1 cube means 1, I cube we can write I square into I plus a square, 1 square 1, 3 into I, 3 into I square, by since I square is equals to minus 1, 2 plus 4i plus I 5i, I square is minus 1, minus 2. That equals to I square is minus 1. So 1 minus I plus 3i minus 3, by plus 2 minus 2 get cancel, plus 5i. That equals to 1 minus 3 minus 2, minus I plus 3i plus 2i, by 5i. For this we can do rationalizing factor with I. That equals to minus 2 plus 2i by 5i. డినామినేటర్లో I ఉంది కదా, సో ఐతో న్యూమరేటర్ని డినామినేటర్ని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి, ఇంటూ I by I. దట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు I ఇంటూ మైనస్ 2 మైనస్ 2i, 2i ఇంటూ I ప్లస్ 2i square by 5i into I, 5i square. I square is equals to minus 1. I square is equals to minus 1. That equals to minus 2 minus 2i minus 2 by minus 5, minus 2 minus 2i by minus 5. We can write x plus I by form. So in this I am taking minus is common. Minus of 2 plus 2i by minus 5. Minus minus get cancel. That equals to 2 plus 2i by 5. So I am writing denominator. First 1 by 5 of 2 plus 2i. For this we can find modulus value. Therefore modulus is equals to 1 by 5 into modulus of 2 plus I of 2. We can write x plus iy form. That equals to 1 by 5 into under root of x square plus y square form. 2 square plus 2 square. That equals to 1 by 5 into 4. 2 square 4 plus 4. That equals to 1 by 5 into root 8. That equals to 1 by 5 into root 8 we can write 2 root 2. 2 root 2 by 5. This is the modulus value of second problem. So if you have any doubt, please comment, like, share, subscribe for more videos.